Ever accidentally deleted a game on your Samsung phone and then immediately regretted it? Or maybe you just want to find a game you used to play but can't remember the name of? Don't worry. Well, there's the recycle bin for apps. Your Samsung phone and its associated accounts keep a history of your downloaded games. Let's find them. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Samsung device. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that. From the menu that appears, select Manage Apps and Devices. You'll see two tabs at the top, Overview and Manage. Tap on Manage. By default, it will show you installed apps. Tap on the word Installed to open a drop-down box. Crucially, select Not Installed from that list. You might find an option to filter by games. Tap on it. Now you can see all the games that you recently deleted. If you want, you can install them again. That's how you can find the recently deleted apps on Samsung. If this video helps you out, then please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.